close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
2,000 years later.
Here we come! Welcome to Kings Bay, Ringside. Stop muna tayo dito sa office. Check our reservation. Doon na sultan ka.
Ito ba ito patapos?
Already paid. Hello! Ito na po kami sa Kings Bay.
Hi, we're in Kings Bay.
Kamusta biyahe?
Nakakahigo. Pero okay lang.
Grabe! Ang laang kapal ng bag, no? Pasok po tayo sa office nila.
Tapos sila JB, diretso na.
Tig na yun.
Ha?
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
Hello! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Kings Bay.
Hi! Welcome to Korea!
Ang lamig-lamig kahit mainit ang panahon. Sobrang lamig. Brrr! Brrr!
May table ba kayo tala? Pero, kami.
Oops! Oops! Nag-move si Range Rover.
Sweet na lang kung ano.
Bakit na mas marami?
Oo, lagi yung camera.
Yung may gano'n. Yung
So that's the bay over there.
oh, yung kahon!
And now we're going to set up.
Tama.
Dapat dito.
Dito eh. Pagdating dito, mga ganun. Binagat na pa yung taas na.
Hello, sis.
Hi! Ang lamig po kahit napaka-araw.
Oo nga eh, ang init-init. Napakasinag ng araw pero sobrang lamig. Grabe. So we're about to set up, but
Hello guys, kakain na. Mamaya na kami magka-camp. Pagkatas kumain dahil gutom na mga... Ayaw mo lang, chichaw mo lang. Chichaw mo lang, chichaw. Alam mo pa yung... Oo.
after kumain ng adobo, naantok.
Oo nga, pag gano'n.
Diba meron ganun eh.
Bakit?
Kahit anong reason ko, wala eh. Kailangan.
Kasi yung gantong table din sa
Yung mga ano, no? Pero ito,
Ang ganda pag nature, no? Tapos,
alam niya pag...
very colorful yung ano, ng damit. Ang ganda mag-photoshoot dyan, oh, mamaya mag-photoshoot. Ayun! Nandun yung bay. Ayun, no, naka-blue. Oh, naka-blue? Yung ano, very blue.
Shout out pala sa ano.
Shout out ko pala yung sponsor my outfit for today from Ian's Closet. Chadan! That's Ian. This is from Ian's Closet. Yes. Tapos mamamaya, punta kami doon sa magte-trekking daw kami. Tapos si Madam, andito nagpabango, magte-trekking, tapos magpabango. Ayun. Saya.
Pagbalik ko, wala na. Ganyan yung ginawa namin sa ano. Baka wala. Dito na naman tayo naalala ko yung nasa Jackson na. Hi! Hello! Mag-vlog kasi. Kunin niyo yung ano nyo doon. Magkwento.
Hi mga katropa peeps!
Tayo mga kasama ko.
Holiday po ngayon dito sa New Zealand. It's Canterbury Day. So it's long weekend. From Friday to Sunday. So we decided to go here in Hawkins Bay, in Nakarawa. And you see naman, the view. Wow! It's amazing! And refreshing. So we're still thinking if we want to swim. Maybe the water is cold. Let's check the water. Let's check the water if it's cold or warm.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Picture niyo. I think. Ayun, yun. Ang warm.
Fueled to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Malamig talaga siya ang
Ayaw
hangin.
namin magkasakit.
At saka kahit mainit siya, malamig yung hangin because I remember na yung unang dating namin dito, nag-wear kami ng jacket. But then nabash kami. Why are we wearing jacket and it's still very sunny? But you know guys, the wind is very, very cold. Huwag nyo kaming i-bash, okay? So
Oh my
it's not
God!
just for all. Oh my God! You felt it! Woo! Enjoy lang!
To create a song. I don't wanna
Look at Hawkins Bay, one of the most beautiful bays here in New Zealand. And it's located here in Aperol.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We're getting back to our campsite. Tapos babalik din naman tayo doon kasi maliligo kami.
Hindi ka na makita dyan.
Campers Live 2019.
And we'll grow
Sis, bawal!
Bawal ang uling.
to see the horizon.
Doon. Makalaligo tayo. Warm ang
Sarap
tubig.
ng tubig pa. Ang init.
Ang warm dyan sa dagat. Pero sa ilog malamig.
Ano doon? Sense na parang yung driver din.
Sige, mami, tapos lang po.
Kasi sinanap lang. Hindi tinapos.
Pag nag-meeting siya si Ate,
We'll go
Maliligo nga kami. Mainit nga dyan. Warm.
to the highways.
dito.
Ang dami nakatubis doon, di ba? Doon kayo dapat mag-ano, upo. Ang daming tubis doon.
Ang daming nakatupis.
Ayaw namin ang kami pilit.
Anong kami na naman?
Sisa na niluluto mo?
Sausage!
Ang poor naman natin sausage lang.
Tsaka, water!
Yan na yung dinner natin. At ba,
Social.
diet tayo eh.
Social tayo.
Sabi niya, Chip, nagtanggap na po yung ano yung inaahon.
Sarap ng buhay nila oh. Ikaw.
Wala sa luto, no?
Hello guys, nandito naman tayo sa Madeline Jacobi Show. Ngayon, nagluto siya ng...
So this is, sobrang hirap.
Ang hirap.
Lutuin.
Ang grabe.
Mahirap siya.
Kasi chef lang hindi kaya yan.
Expert level lang.
Expert. Ano ba yan? Ah, grabe.
Ramyun.
To. Anyo nga sa'yo.
Puin mo nga.
Ayoko, mainit.
Ulam. Dinner time. Ramen. Pork adobo. Ano pa ulam natin? And chicken. Nasaan na yung chicken?
Mabilis naman.
Stronger than I ever been. I won't get up again. Stronger than I ever.
Good evening guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Hawkins Bay. Tingnan mo, nagka-camping kami pero we're going to watch movies here. Maganda talaga pag may mayayaman kang mga kaibigan. Look at that!
Kailangan kasi itong atakin.
projector. And Mako is still preparing for it.
Pwede tayong ano yung gyro.
Ito, oh, may Christmas lights pa kami.
Gyro.
So, Christmas is in the air. Look at that. Ito yung mga, mga puno kanina na mga mahahaba.
Tagalin mo yung ano.
Oh, tingnan mo, para kami nasa Korea. Nasa Korea.
Sis, it's already 8:49 in the evening.
Yes, it's 8:49 in the evening. And we just had dinner. We ate,
Ano gusto yung
thank you
movie?
for our chef,
Fiber.
Madam Mads.
Napasweldo ko na yung mga tao. Relax na.
Kasi sampayan.
Hello guys. Ang ganda talaga ng series lights natin. Talagang best in designer. Best in designer.
Ay, mas stable yun. Hindi naman ginamit eh.
Hinahanda na yung kasi magmo-movie daw kami.
O patayo.
Movie night.
Talian lang din natin para di matumbay. Stable yun. Hindi, yun na lang. Talian natin.
Patong natin yun doon. Pero okay ba kayo? Oo naman to.
Pero ano eh, sakit sa mata.
Gumagalaw kasi.
Our first night camping here in Hawkins Bay.
Curve ba yan?
Hi!
Ang ganda ng curve yan, dami. Hindi curve. Yan, ito. Sakto to, patayo.
Ano nagwe-wave?
Sarap buhay. Sana ganito. Sana all year round.
Kailan, mababa yan. Pag
Hindi ba kayo to?
Ay, pag
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.